Ontario doesn't have any major mountain ranges, so none of the provincial hills have the same dramatic heights as those to the east and west. The highest vertical drop is 780 feet and located at Calabogie Peaks outside of Ottawa, but Toronto has its own share of local mountains for skiing as well. Even though they're modestly sized, they're great for a day trip of skiing as well as for beginner or intermediate skiers who want more practice on the slopes. Blue Mountain, Ontario's largest ski resort, is about 2 hours north of Toronto and contains the province's second highest drop. It's frequently cited as one of Canada's most family-friendly resorts due to the number of off-the-slope activities that are offered, like snow tubing, ice skating, and snowshoe tours. Mount St. Louis Moonstone is another popular spot with Torontonians, a family-owned resort with 36 trails for all levels, but especially beginners and intermediate skiers. Only 10 minutes away, Horseshoe Resort is a smaller mountain but has more black diamond trails for advanced skiers. Ontario's lower elevation means the ski season is shorter, normally beginning in mid-December and lasting until mid-March.